Let's make some good things even better. So you can go on eBay, and from this dude right here, you can buy these, resistor, capacitor, treble bleed kits. And if you're gonna put one on an Ernie Ball MVP volume pedal, that's where it's going to go. And this is really simple to take out. It's just these two screws that are right there in the bottom of the volume pedal, and there's this connector you pull out. And then I buy these things on eBay too from Carl's Custom Guitars. These are really good. These have really good like sound quality. But you can put that treble bleed kit across the two leads coming out of that potentiometer that have the red wire, just like you see right here. And yeah,